You'll use Adobe Fonts to install a font that will work well for the title text. Choose File, Add Fonts from Adobe. After Effects will open the Adobe Fonts page in your default browser. Make sure you're signed in to Creative Cloud. If not, click Sign In at the top of the screen and enter your Adobe ID. Make sure you're signed in to Creative Cloud. If not, click Sign In at the top of the screen and enter your Adobe ID. Type Snorkel Tours in the sample text field. And then move the slider to decrease the sample text size so you can see the full title. Using your own text as the sample text lets you get a feel for how a font will work in your project. You can browse fonts on the Adobe Fonts website, but because there are so many, it's often more efficient to filter them or to search for a specific font. You'll filter fonts to see those that meet your requirements. Choose Name from the Sort menu in the upper right corner. Then, on the left side of the page, hide the Tags area. Then select Sans Serif in the Classification area. In the Properties area, select the buttons for Medium Weight, Medium Width, Medium X Height, Low Contrast, and Standard Capitalization. Adobe Fonts displays several fonts that meet the requirements you specified. Browse a few pages worth of fonts to see what's available. Kaluna Sans, which is probably on the second page, will work nicely. Click Kaluna Sans. Adobe Fonts displays sample text for all the fonts in the selected family, as well as additional information about the fonts. Click Activate Font next to the regular and bold versions of the fonts. The selected fonts are automatically added to your system and are then available in any application, including After Effects. After you've activated your fonts, you can close Adobe Fonts and your browser.